The VEWIOR 2200W blender for kitchen stands out as a powerhouse appliance, boasting impressive features and versatility to meet all your blending needs. With a robust 2200W motor capable of reaching speeds of up to 35,000 RPM a minute, this blender excels at crushing ice and creating smoothies with unmatched speed and efficiency. Its enhanced food-grade 6-leaf sharp blade ensures effortless ice crushing, making it perfect for crafting smoothies and frozen drinks. The XL capacity countertop blender comes with a 68-ounce tri-tang container, accommodating 9 cups of liquid, making it suitable for family meals, entertaining, and even commercial use in cafes or restaurants. Additionally, it includes a 27-ounce on-the-go cup with spout lids, allowing you to enjoy nutrient-rich smoothies while on the move. Equipped with 16 adjustable speed controls and pulse options, this blender offers precise control over food texture, ensuring consistently flawless results every time. Say goodbye to unblended fragments and chewy lumps, thanks to the VEWIOR blender's meticulous design. The blender's multi-use functionality makes it a versatile kitchen companion, capable of substituting for 8 different appliances. From crushing and blending to chopping, grinding, and more, it can handle a wide range of tasks, making it indispensable for various culinary creations. Cleaning is a breeze with the self-cleaning feature, allowing the blender to autonomously complete the cleaning process in just 30 to 60 seconds. Additionally, the pitcher-to-go cups and tamper are dishwasher safe for added convenience. Overall, the VEWIOR 2200W blender for kitchen is a high-performance appliance that offers exceptional power, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're blending smoothies, soups, sauces, or salsas, it delivers consistently superior results, making it a must-have addition to any kitchen.